Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to find MAC address on iPhone. So this is a very simple video. First, you can just simply go ahead and go to your settings into your device. And now once you are here, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down and go for the general tab. Now, once you are here on the general tab, guys, you can just simply go for the about option, the very first one. And now over here, you should be able to see all of your information about your phone. And now if we scroll down, guys, we should be able to see here Wi-Fi address. So guys, here, this is your Wi-Fi address. At the same time, this will be your MAC address on your iPhone. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below and see you in the next video.